Hey guys, welcome back to TechTube, and in this video I'm going to show you how to access device management into your Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Actually, accessing device management is very easy task. In order to do that, you just simply have to open your Crunchyroll application at first, and after opening the Crunchyroll application, it will show this type of home page, and into here you just simply have to click into your profile picture at top right corner, and from there just simply tap to this setting option, and into the settings you will directly see this device management option. Now in order to access, just simply tap into this device management, and from here you can manage all of the devices that you have. In order to deactivate the devices, just simply click to this deactivate option, and if you want to terminate all these sections, just simply click to deactivate all devices. By following these very easy steps, you can easily access your device management into Crunchyroll. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.